Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to export SRT file from v.io. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first, go to v.io and then just upload your file or audio file, video file here. Then what you need to do is just click on that file here at the bottom, and then you can just click on Subtitles here at the left side. Then from there, you just need to choose your language first, and then you can just click on Auto Subtitle. Okay, now after that, let's just wait for it to generate the subtitles. Now after that, you can choose any of the formats here that you want. So after choosing the format, you can just click on this one, then you can click on Download, and then click on SRT format. Okay, now for you to be able to do that, you need to have a subscription here in v.io. So if you have a subscription, you can automatically download it from here. And that's it. So that's basically how you can export SRT file from v.io. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.